Live off, yeah, live off, yeah, 'cause you're mine, oxygen.
Guys, so today's video is going to be a try on clothing haul. I have some pieces from Missguided, Fashion Nova, and Nasty Gal. So a couple other places as well. I have some jewelry to show you guys, bags, dresses, stuff like that. So let's just get into the video. But the first thing before I go, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on my Instagram, which will be linked in the description, so definitely check me out over there. So let's get to the video. I'm just probably going to be looking over here a little bit because I have a mirror here to see myself. So if you see me looking, that's what I'm looking at. But I'm going to show you guys the first piece. This is from Nasty Gal. And it's just really cute dress. It's literally the only dress I have, but I love it. It's super cute. The length is perfect. It's like this linen material, if I were to describe it. It's very nice. It has this lace-up detail, which a lot of stuff has right now. It's a very trendy piece, and this one, I forgot what this style is called, but I really like this style top as well. And this is what it looks like in the back. It does have an invisible zipper on this side right here, so it was easier for me to get in. I was trying to put this on and I was struggling. I'm like, why can't I get this on? And I'll have all the links to the items in the description, unless they're like sold out or something. But yeah, this is the first piece, and I do have on a necklace right now. But this is my first time ordering from there. The quality is okay. It's like regular quality you would just get at like Forever 21 maybe. One of the necklaces, not this necklace, another one that I got, you guys will see later, actually broke, but luckily I was able to fix it. But anyway, this is really, really cute. I really, really like this. It's like a little pendant choker. They had like a green color as well, and I love this so much. And also I have this little diamond bird, what is this called, a beret I guess, or a bobby pin. It says love on it. Again, I'll have close-ups, and I'm not coming closer because my camera does not autofocus, so it would just be blurry. So yeah, but it just says love. I love these. I'm so happy I finally have one. So now I'm going to show you guys the next item. Oh wait, no, I have to show you guys something else. I'm going to show you these two bags too while I have this on. This bag is from Amazon actually. It's one of those fanny packs or like bum bags, if that's what you want to call it. It doesn't really matter, but I love this bag so much. I've seen a lot of bags similar to this or the exact same thing. This is like $20 plus maybe like $25, which is shipping and stuff. But this, so cute. The quality is really, really nice. It came within 3 days of shipping, so that's really nice. You know, Amazon's usually quick with their shipping. Yeah, it's just perfect. And then I have another one to show you guys. This one is from Nasty Gal. This one is simple, a bit simpler. It's still black. It's mini. It's a smaller version, and it's just all black instead of, you know, the metal hardware. Oop, oop, oop. So that's what this one looks like. This one is more simple, not as edgy or loud as the other bag, and like I said, smaller. I don't remember how much this one was, but again, okay. So these two necklaces, this one is from Frugal Finds. This one is gorgeous. This like diamond I am obsessed with it. It's great quality. I paid like $20 for this. I'm definitely gonna order from them again. This was my first time, and I'm obsessed with this. So it's really quick though. This was a necklace from Betty, something Betty, I forgot. It's so close, but I don't remember. Betty Bones, that's where it's from. This one was the one that broke. The clasp on the back broke, but I attached it back with a new jump ring. So yeah, but it's still a really cute necklace, and they have really cute stuff, so I'll still probably order from them. But don't come broken next time. And also the pendant wasn't attached to the chain when I got it, but it's fine because it literally just slid right back on, so that's not a big deal. But the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this top from Missguided. I love Missguided, especially their graphic t-shirts. They have great selection and they're not overpriced. I feel like they're $20 normally or $30 depending on like if it's like a special collection item or something. But yeah, I got this on their sale that I don't know if they're still having it, but I think it was like 40-50% off or something like that. So yeah, I just got this loose fitting, I guess oversized graphic t-shirt. It says Coachella Valley, and yeah, it's just simple. It's a staple. This is how long it is, and I'll probably tuck it into shirts and stuff like that. No, I'm not gonna wear this. I don't think it matches, but I'm gonna show you guys these pants. I'm gonna put the camera over so you guys can see. Let's see. Yeah, these are from Fashion Nova. They are high-waisted. They have a little side belt thing so you can tighten the waist if it's too loose on you. And yeah, they're really nice quality. The only thing is I wish they were like longer, but I'll just probably wear them like this to fix that since they have elastic on it and it looks better like this. So they're like capris, I guess. And they have little side pockets here that work. They're very nice and wide in the back. And these are these pants. I really like these. They're very nice material. If you want them to be more baggy like the model, I think if it's a lot baggier on her, I would recommend you go up a size because it's like more tightish on my thighs and like baggier towards the bottom, which I don't mind, but if you want to see an oversized look. Okay, so the next item I have to show you guys is this top from Missguided, and I forgot to put my jewelry on it again. I'm gonna put this on. This necklace right here is from, where is this from? I don't remember. I don't remember. I'll put it on the screen. But it's just this diamond choker. It has like a, it's not diamond all the way. I really don't remember. Okay, but anyway, what? Okay, so this necklace here is like have a diamond detail. I thought it was gonna be the entire necklace, but it's just like this little bar. But it's fine. It's super cute. I have a necklace very similar to it. It just doesn't have the diamond part. But this is really cute to glam up an outfit. But anyway, this top here is from Missguided. It's just another one of their graphic t-shirts. I'm obsessed with this. What does it even say? I don't know, something about tour. It has dates and some like cities or whatever on it. And I love the color scheme of it. It's super nice. This is the length. Again, I'll probably tuck it into something. But now I'm gonna move on to the jeans, which are from Fashion Nova. Right here, these are supposed to be like mom jeans. The only complaint is I wish they were looser because I think mom jeans are supposed to fit more loose. They just like capri jeans, which is another complaint. I wish they were longer, but I think in the model you can tell, so I guess I just wasn't paying attention. I wear rolled up because I think it looks awkward like this, so I think it'll better rolled up. So that's the way I wear them. And they just have rips in them, true to size. These aren't like a super stretchy material, so get your regular size. Like, you know, Fashion Nova have some really stretchy jeans. These are just like regular jeans. They have some stretch. These plain gray sweatpants from Missguided. These are very comfortable, very stretchy. They have pockets. They're a nice material. They're not super thick. They're actually quite thin, but it's fine. It's not gonna be fine for winter, but how about these in summer anyway, so it's fine. I'm not mad at it. It's pretty cute. They have elasticated little, what are the hems, I guess. They're not very long either. I'm not even tall. I'm 5'5", by the way, but yeah, they're kind of short, to be honest. But I don't think I don't know. I think there's a better when you pull them up a little bit. So that's that. These leggings, these are from Prettylittlething. They're so cute and great quality. They actually have a sweatpants or a pair of sweatpants that look just like this, except they're sweatpants. They have the little detail, which is Prettylittlething, in rainbow colors, which is so cute to me. I don't know, it's so simple, but I love it. But yeah, they're just these high-waisted little leggings. You can go a size down in this because the waist is kind of baggy. I don't really mind. It's like not a big deal because I probably will wear it with something oversized, so this will be covered anyway. But if you want to. Okay, so this item will be worn next summer because I need to lose weight. Okay, because they fit me, but they are too tight, like, so they're not comfortable to wear, and these are not stretchy. Like, they have zero stretch. Like, these are some real good quality denim, so this is really good quality. I was really shocked. They're nice and thick. They're not too short. These are the perfect black shorts that I was looking for, but they will be worn next summer because they're just, I need to lose a couple pounds, but super cute. I love these stuff. Okay, so these are the last pair of pants that I have to show you guys from Fashion Nova. They're these gray pants. This is one of their stretcher items, but I would say get your true size. These are perfect. They fit me perfectly. They are high-waisted, really nice material. They have pockets, real pockets in front and back, and they are. So I have one last item to show you guys, which is this top from Prettylittlething, and I'm obsessed with this top. They have like so many different colors of this. I got this, it's originally $40, but I got it on sale for $20. It's great quality. Material is amazing. The length of it is amazing, and I love it. They have a black, they have hot pink, they have like a velvet one. It's perfect. You should go on the website. Like I said, it'll be linked in the description. This was the only one that was on sale. I don't know why this green one here. I did think it was a lighter green. Like, I feel like it's more lime, like it's very bright, but it's super pretty. I love this. I haven't worn it yet, but I will. And they're perfect. It's a perfect length for high-waisted jeans like I'm wearing right now. And I'm sure you guys have seen these tops going around. They're super trendy, and for a good reason. They're so cute. Shoulder. And I'm also wearing this necklace that I got. I don't remember the site, but it just says my name on it. You guys saw in the close-up, it says Nia. And yeah, I wish it was a bit shorter, like more of a choker, but it's fine. It like goes here, but it's okay. This is the back. It's a zipper in the back, and I did put it on myself. You kind of have to stretch it down to get it on, but you can get it on. It's kind of, I don't know if it's perfectly down. I love this top. I'm definitely gonna order some more of these from Prettylittlething. I've been trying to find the perfect website to order them from, and I found it. So great job to Prettylittlething for this, because it is so cute. But yeah, that's it for the video. I don't have anything else to show you guys. So yeah, I'm planning on doing a outfits video showing you guys some of these pieces and some other pieces from my other hauls on how to style them and stuff like that. So look out for that, and I'm gonna try to post more, but I was waiting for all the items to come in so I can film this video. But yeah, also check out my baking channel. I have a baking channel. I post on there like once a week, and yeah, I'll put a link in the description, and my baking Instagram. I have a bunch of bake treats and stuff on there, and also my Instagram, and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know which item from this haul was your favorite. I think mine is definitely this top, and probably these jeans actually. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and if you have any video requests, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.